Oh, wala pong mangliligaw dito sa 17 years old kong anak kasi naglalaro pa po siya ng ganyan.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this.
Ayan, yan naman po 14 years old po yon. Yan din po ay wala din siyang mangliligaw niyaan. Kasi nakaganyan pa siya. Nakasalampak pa
What if I
dyan.
do, huh?
Ha?
Funny.
What if I do?
Bakit?
What do you mean by
Meron?
Why are you talking like that? You literally never talk like that.
She's filming, that's why. Fake. Fake.
Oy,
Guys, off camera, she's yelling at us all the time. We're getting abused.
oy, sampalin kita ha. Hindi ako ganyan na. Kapag may mangligaw sa inyo, never mind.
Oh, not like that.
Never mind na lang. na lang? Never mind?
Put it out.
Smells like a candle.
Ganyan ang ano nyo sa akin. Pag hindi pala naka-video, kalat ako'y bro ha?
Yeah.
Kayo talaga ha? Bakit? Payag naman ako na may manligaw sa'yo ate.
No, you don't.
Ha?
You say if we got a boyfriend, you're gonna kick us out.
Aray ko. Sinabi ko ba yon?
Yes.
Kailan ko sinabi yon?
Literally
Last
when.
time I brought a boy home. Now he's
If
gay.
you kick us out, we're just gonna go.
Where?
Never mind. I forgot that she was talking.
Ay! Talaga, pag nag-boyfriend na kayo, talaga nga.
What if we do actually have a boyfriend? What are you gonna do?
Palalayasin ko kayo siyempre.
No, like actually, like what would you do?
Palalayasin ko.
Actually?
Oh yeah!
Girl.
lying. She would never.
Sabi ko nga
You
palalayasin
would
ko yun.
not do that.
No, palalayasin ko kayo pag may boyfriend kayo. Ibig sabihin nun kaya nyo ng sarili nyo kasi nag-boyfriend kayo.
That is not
That's
what that
not what it means.
Ganun. Ano? So,
means. Probably
support.
not. She's gonna use it against you every time she
So, support. So,
Like if you do something wrong, she's gonna be like, "It's because it's our boyfriend." Right.
Literally, that's what you do with Kuya now. So.
Ano bang sinabi ko kay kuya mo?
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Ma, unfilm right now.
Unfilm.
Pause the video, ma.
Why?
Because we're talking about something.
Basta ako, bakit? Meron ka na bang, may nangliligaw ba sa'yo, Pauline? Ay, Kylie?
No, I'm
Wala.
just asking.
Ikaw ate, wala no?
Actually do-
Okay.
Girl,
She's bullying me.
she's not gonna get that in a long time.
Shut the hell up.
Aba,
After college,
ang ganda ng ate mo, wag kang ano ha.
Literally,
Wag kang
yeah.
ganda.
saying that because you gave
May
birth to
mangliligaw
her.
dyan, wag kang ano. Bakit ikaw, Kylie? Wag kang ano. Parehas lang tayo hindi kagandahan, kaya wag kang umasa na may mangligaw.
Girl.
Hindi, maganda tayo, di ba? Ang ate mo, tinan ko nga ate, tinan ko kung pwede ka nang ligawan. Ay,
I'll make
sampalin
another
kita.
one for you.
Thank you.
Ito, alam to si Kylie, hindi pa yung liligawan ate, alam mo bakit? Hindi nga pang hindi, tamad yan. Hindi yan masipag.
She's masipag when she wants to do it.
Yeah. Like I will get it done, I just don't want to.
Ah! Papayag ako pag nag-boyfriend kayo, mga 27 years old na kayo. Okay?
27. You're gonna be like,
Mag-asawa ka na nun
It's
agad.
literally my golden birthday.
Golden birthday.
Yeah.
Ate, di ba pwede naman yan? 27 ka mag-boyfriend ate, tapos asawa ka na, di ba?
Okay, but I'm not gonna freaking do
Uy
that.
ate, pwede naman yun. Mag-boyfriend